Hi, boys and girls. Today, we will learn about the Southwest Indians. We have two objectives or goals today. Number one, what does environment mean? Number two, what is the environment like in the Southwest region of the United States? Take a minute to discuss with your family what you remember environment means and what you believe the environment will be like in the Southwest region. If you said that the meaning of environment is what the land looks like and feels like to you, then you are correct. That is the definition of environment. Recall that we learned this vocabulary word in past chapters. Now we will look at some photos of the Southwest environment and begin working toward our objective for this lesson. After each photo, pause the recording and discuss with your family what you observe in each photo. Photo number 1. Take a minute to discuss what you observe in the environment. Now, let's go to photo number 2. Take a minute and pause the recording to discuss what you observe in the environment in this photo. Now let's go to photo number 3. What do you observe in the environment in this photo? Pause and take a minute to discuss with your family. Now we will move to the next photo. Here is photo number 5. Do you notice any landforms? Take a look at this particular landform. Do you remember the name for this landform? If you guessed that it is a mesa or plateau, then you are correct. So let's review what we have noticed about the environment so far. In the Southwest environment, we may find sand, bushes, rocks, and patches of grass. You may have noticed other items in the environment. You may have also noticed landforms, like hills, and that it's located in the desert, and we have mesas or plateaus. You may also notice that there are some small streams. Notice the stream in the background behind the mesas and plateaus. And last but not least, we have the climate of the Southwest environment. The climate would have been quite hot, very dry, and very sunny. We know that the climate is hot, dry, and sunny because it is located in the desert. Now let's move on to some other photos. Take a look at these next photos and see what kinds of animals you may find living in the Southwest desert. This animal is a spider. It is a tarantula. We also have rabbits. This particular rabbit is called a jackrabbit. We also have snakes. Snakes lived in the Southwest region. If you guessed that this is a rattlesnake, then you were correct. And last but not least, we have wolves. So let's review. Some animals that you may find in the desert are spiders, rabbits, snakes, and wolves. Now let's move on to a writing activity. Using your journal, let's write about the following 2 questions. Number 1, how is the Southwest environment different from the Eastern Woodlands region? Think back to when we learned about the Eastern Woodlands environment. Tell how the Southwest and the Eastern Woodlands are different. Then, tell how the Southwest region is also different from the Plains region. Don't forget to write using complete sentences and capitalization and punctuation. Great job, boys and girls!